Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the AC filter in your Toyota Corolla. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which is typically an 8x8 square, and possibly a small Phillips head screwdriver. Having the right filter ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. This quick and easy DIY project will significantly improve your car's interior air quality and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system efficiency. Next, let's access the old filter. Open your glove compartment and remove everything inside. Gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stoppers, allowing it to swing down further. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Carefully detach it. Now, unclip the housing cover, usually held by 2 or 3 clips, to expose the filter tray. You're almost there. Now it's time for the new filter. Before removing the old one, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation. Carefully slide the old filter out of its tray. Take your new filter and, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, slide it into the tray. Ensure it fits securely and completely within the housing. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the filter housing cover, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Next, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Gently push the glove box back up until the side stoppers engage, securing it in its original position. You've successfully replaced your AC filter. Enjoy significantly cleaner air inside your Corolla and more efficient heating and cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.